Hi everyone, so it's Naya, and I just finished my plate. I mean, I'm not yet finished kasi, tingnan nyo, ito pala, okay, so wala, di ko na pala siya papakita, pero, oh my god, I'm watching, Golden Scenery of Tomorrow, Golden Scenery of Tomorrow. Yes, I'm so happy this day kasi a quick recap lang about my week. So, this week I got inducted as a PRO. I also MC'd. Nag-MC din ako ng dalawang beses. Actually, super kinakabahan ako nung una kasi, di ba, it's been like a year since I've been talking. I've tried to talk in front of a whole fucking crowd kasi nga, di ba, like, nakakaba siya. Kasi di na ako sanay mag-talk ng ganun in front of a crowd. Kasi nawala na rin ako ng capacity to think so fast for a situation para pag-MC ako. Pero I did it. I conquered my fear again. Kasi, walang script. Mayroong script, but I'm so happy. And I got inducted as PIO, where yung event na yun, also the same event na nag-MC ako. And then, kanina, I got to start my plumbing plate. Building plumbing na plate. I'm so happy kasi para may napatutunguhan na yung mga plates ko. Isa na lang na hindi ko pa nagagawa is sa Vistec. Wala pa ako nasimulan sa Vistec kasi naman papaprint ako bukas. Anyways, time check. It's 12:48. Ayan. 12:48 na and I haven't done anything that productive. Aside from making that schematic design, I'm still gonna bring that sa Rocco Library tomorrow. Kasi we're going to Rocco Library tomorrow. Yeah, kasi we're gonna do our design plate na we need to pass on Wednesday. Kasi for the whole week, oh my god, I'm so happy. Kasi for the whole week, not whole week actually, it's just 4 days. We have 4 days of asynchronous classes because of, school stuff. I don't know, faculty stuff, and I'm so happy. Kasi last week was so hectic, like hectic ng malala. Kaya wala akong nagawang plate kasi nga my full focus last week was yung APSA. And ang dami kong ginagawang action dahil as in, nawawala na ako ng utak for real. Ang hirap maging witty kasi parang trying hard, parang ganun. Pero I'm so happy that I surpassed that week. Oh my god. And I've been going through a lot this August. August hasn't been nice to me at all. There are good times and ang daming magagandang times, pero emotionally it's not been very good to me. Yeah, a lot of nice things are happening to me ngayon. Like, sobrang daming blessings, sobrang daming experiences and all that, but it's not been doing well to me emotionally kasi in the process of moving on, and then trying to get over someone, and certain experiences are still new to me, and I'm coping, but like it's been very hard because it's a roller coaster of emotions, and I've been too out of focus. I've been focused sa lahat ng ginagawa ko, pero still ang hirap mag-focus. I can focus, but it's so hard to actually, yeah, that's all. But yeah, I've had so much realizations, just a bad day, it's just a bad moment, but it's not a bad life. See you tomorrow. Bye.